In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in Zendesk. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to zendesk.com and proceed to input right here your work email that you wish to use. From in there, click on this try for free option in order to sign up for a Zendesk account trial. Now, if you already have an account like I do, click on this sign in option that we'll see right here. Now here is my dashboard for my actual Zendesk. So in order to create a ticket, you just need to head over to your actual dashboard and click on this add icon that you can see right here. Just hovering to it, you can see this ticket option. So onto this, click onto this ticket. And then after that, this should be able to show you right here this editor. So input right here the requester. Like for example, you can input right here or input a name. For example, let's input TRC. Then add that user and add them right here if you want. Add in here your details as well, such as email. Now proceed to click on add right here. Input right here the assignee. Let's add it on the support. And then on the followers, you can input right here the agent who will follow this particular ticket. Input right here the tags for that as well as the type for this. It can be an incident. And for the priority, input right here that priority and input right here the recent or linked problem. Input right here your details. Now after that, to set up and customize your ticket information, input right here the details for the particular ticket and also add in here some user notes. Once you're done, proceed to click onto this submit as new and from it there you should be able to actually add this ticket into your own Zendesk account. So that's all there is today and I hope this video actually helped you out.